Hi lovers of Nigerian Pidgin English, I'm Bafo. The preposition for is a marker that is used with the modal verbs would and should to mean the following in English. Would like. Would plus wouldn't have plus the past participle. And should or shouldn't have plus the past participle. Let's start with would like, which means for like in Nigerian Pidgin English. For example, I would like to know if you'll be home tomorrow. I for like know if you go dey house tomorrow. They would like to buy some bread at the bakery. Then for like buy bread for bakery. Now let's look at would or wouldn't have plus past participle. For example, I would have come to see you yesterday. I for come see you yesterday. If they had known, they wouldn't have traveled in the morning. If they know, then for no travel in the morning. This example is a conditional sentence, the third conditional to be precise, which talks about regrets. Should. Should is a modal verb mostly used for advice and suggestion. Example of the formation is should or shouldn't have plus the past participle, which in Pidgin English means for plus verb or for plus no plus verb, as in the following sentences. She shouldn't have voted for that stupid politician. She for no vote for that yeye politician. You should have gone to see the doctor yesterday to check this constant migraine. You for go see the doctor yesterday to check this constant migraine. Go ahead and try constructing your own sentences. Should you need any help, feel free to hit me up in the comment section below. See you in my next video. Peace is in.